Okay, so before we even get into this video, I wanted to let you guys know me and Private Selection teamed up to give away a pair to you. Rules are super simple. All you got to do is like this video, subscribe to me, subscribe to Private Selection, which you can do down below. Come back to this video, comment done and your shoe size, and I'll pick a winner in a week. So stay tuned for that. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing the do not buy, or what is it? What do I say? Do not buy or you watch this? Something like that? Yeah. So basically we're talking about the Silver Toe Air Jordan 1 women's release. Shout out to the ladies for the one time. Y'all are lucky. Let me just tell you, I love this shoe. Reason being, obviously we have plenty of great shoes, but the way these hit on your feet, let me tell you, is stupid. I love the materials. This is more of like a premium Jordan 1. If I could compare this, I would honestly put this on the level of Shattered Backboard Premium. And I'm saying that because the leather is phenomenal. Usually when they go with women's or even youth shoes, they skimp you on the quality. Now retail is $170. That might have something to do with this. Also, as of right now, they're set to release February 12th, which, you know, things have been constantly getting pushed back. So I'm not exactly sure if that's going to be 100% the release date, but that's what it is as of now. Now with this sneaker, you have obviously a very buttery leather black panel throughout the sneaker. And then what really hits off is that silver. Now, the whole reason I want to say is do not buy until you watch this is because you got to be kind of careful with these. And I'm saying that in regards to the material. This scratches extremely easy. Now, one thing with the satins, for example, when you wore them, they creased really bad. They didn't look too good. These, on the other hand, you shouldn't have that problem with the creases. It should look all right. Typically, I don't really have problems with my Jordan 1s creasing. I think they look better, but with the satins, it was a no-go. For these, if you get a scuff, it's gonna be a problem. Especially if you got that OCD, you want your shoes to be perfect. I personally think this is a shoe you pull out every once in a while, not necessarily your daily wear, because these will get beat. And I mean, even off rip, I guarantee a lot of people that get these in are gonna have flaws on the shoes. It's just bound to happen just because the material is really delicate. You know what I'm saying? It honestly is. And then on the inside, you have something really cool, which is satin. Very different. And according to Mary, it does make the shoe seem lighter, more comfortable. Might be a little bit hotter. I'm not exactly sure. I don't personally have any satin shoes, but those are kind of the simple details on these. Overall, man, or woman, you know what I'm saying? A great look. I'm hearing a lot of rumors, seeing a lot of comments of people saying, oh, they're going up to a women's 16. If that's the case, run me that 13 and a half. You know what I'm saying? Because I want these for sure. But from what I'm seeing, at least looking on like GOAT and StockX, I didn't see any sizes bigger than like a 12, I think is what I saw. And that's typically like men's 8 through 10 and a half. I already know men are gonna be going for these, like, but let's not lie. This is a dope shoe. It is a woman's release, but that don't matter, I don't mean nothing. Like, these are super dope and very easy to style. That's kind of my favorite part about just this simple like black, white, and chrome look. It's always easy to style. Now that's pretty much it. Ladies, if you're new to the channel, I'm a Sneaker Life. I did do a first thoughts with my fiance if you want to go check that out. But I plan to get in a lot more women's shoes and have her review them just because I think it's needed. It's important to know sizing and how it looks, style, all that good stuff. So that's my plan. So make sure you hit that subscribe button for your boy. But other than that, thumbs up, like definitely go for these. I'm expecting resale to be pretty high in these after a few months, even off the rip. Right now across the board, typically when you get into like a bigger women's size that a man can fit into, it's a little more expensive. But right now all across the board, it's sitting around $330 for any shoe. So I'm not really too sure to what to expect. It's all gonna come down to stock levels and really what Nike decides to release. So I'm gonna leave you guys with an on foot, and you can let me know down below. Is this a cop or a drop? Keep or sleep? Let me know. And don't forget to enter that giveaway. It's not gonna cost you anything, so super fire. There you guys have it. This is your boy Sneaker Life. If you could, again, hit that thumbs up for your boy. Follow me on Instagram at Mike the Compass, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Run it.